Kai suvoki, kad turi visas priemonės ir įrankius tiesiog pasiekiamus ranka, belieka tik atsipalaiduoti.
It was our early beginning when we started the company. We named ourselves like Easy Creative Production. After this 1.5 year roller coaster, now we are Easy House Agencies.
Ir pradėti džiaugtis tuo, ką turi, ir pradėti manipuliuoti emocijomis. Tiesiog pasikeičiančią
I look good. And actually what we do now is manipulate formats, them and respect us. It's good.
Atradau save visų pirma kultūrinių renginių industrijoje ir daugiau nei po 3 metų suvokiau, jog esu labai darbšti asmenybė. Ir tiek daug dirbdama savo, uždirbčiau daugiau. Todėl nusprendžiau, jog noriu tapti laisvai samdoma režisierė.
Exactly nothing changed. Like when I started my career like 16 years ago, 16 or 17 or 18 years ago, or like time is going very fast. I was self-funded, and Easy House Agency till now self-funded company. So it's still cool to know that I'm still the only one who believes in myself.
Ir taip įsivavo šitą visą reklamos industriją.
I like this video because it's creating like me like as a crane, changing perspective, distance from close up to wide shot.
Tai yra kūrybiškos gamybos.
Shooting like this, going down, so beautiful.
Kūrybos ir gamybos.
Yeah, it was like clever. At that time, I didn't knew that, for example, I knew that something is too slow. If we have a client, we have a creative agency and the production house, then like 3 different companies try to interact and talk. It's like eating the time. Sometimes we have more miscommunication. And since the marketing and the really growing very fast and a lot of brands know what we want, I thought, oh my God, maybe a hybrid model of the company will work, because if I know the brand, I will listen to the client, and we collab, we can skip one step. And that was like working. It was like somehow working.
Tad po kelių metų pertraukos nusprendžiau sugrįžti. Ir aš jau grįžau su nauju know-how, su didesnė, geresnė komanda ir su...
This time when I was talking, I didn't know actually. I didn't know what kind of team I have. I know just Lucas want to work with me. The Daniels was like making this filming thing, and Julius was always behind me. And I knew it, but I want to do something international. How to make it this international? I didn't know anything. I just knew it's something that I don't want to work with Lithuanian clients and the little business, because in Lithuania competition is so huge, and we have really amazing and a lot of production houses.
Ir prisikelti savo klausimą, kaip sukurti neapčiuopiamą idėją ir ją paversti reikalingų kūnų ir vartojimo produktų, kuris būtų parduodamas ne tik Lietuvoje, bet ir užsienyje.
See, now we're making the content, we're selling it, we're all cute. Dream big, because your dreams come true.